Let us try and build an enterprise AI governance framework today. Try and connect people, processes, and technology so that we can get responsible AI and responsible responses from AI. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you regularly see new content on data privacy. And as I said, let's talk about building an enterprise AI governance framework. Governance is the overall ecosystem. That's true for any kind of algorithm, you can say, any kind of infrastructure, you can say, and each component of the infrastructure matters. The leadership matters. Policies, very important. They form the guidelines of how the particular technology, and in our case, AI, is going to be used. The risk associated with this utilization of AI, the technology behind it, and most importantly, people. And people is not the individuals as such. People is the people who need to be trained, who need to understand how to utilize these AI tools, who need to understand the policies, the risks associated, and be careful while using these tools. Governance connects all these dots, right? They are all interconnected, and in a way, you can say reporting to governance. And the overall integration of these creates the strength. The business needs to understand the technology and to what level can it be used, at what level it becomes risky or difficult for the organization to handle. The privacy matters within AI, which is very important, especially if you're using AI for processing personal information, data security, encryption, role based access. That has to be true for data here as well, and the compliances with respect to AI governance. And you need to interconnect, or you can say they are all interconnected. You need to integrate them to get the best use of the overall infrastructure. Governance operates across the AI lifecycle, from planning AI to the end or the retirement of AI. There has to be a design. There needs to be some development done, some deployment done, some monitoring, and monitoring has to be continuous because you don't know, despite best precautions, when can the next threat or risk come up. When could AI do a wrong decision next time against the policies that you made it for an acceptable use? And then eventually retirement of that AI tool or the equipment if you are using robots. Information must flow. Governance requires coordination. Decisions, important, coordinated with reviews, escalations, reporting, and continuous learning. So the governance system overall requires coordination between these various components, which include decisions, reviews, escalations, reporting, and continuous learning of various flows. Frameworks enable consistency. Repeatable governance is important. Governance framework should be such that you can repeatedly follow the framework. Improvise on it, but the base should be good enough to follow again and again. There are standard processes, there are defined rules, some common controls, shared accountability, and continuous improvement in the governance that is being handled over during the AI utilization. Governance by design, a new concept. The basic idea is that governance should be built in the design of each and every AI product utilization. You need to first create the base foundation. What are the policies? What type of AI utilization is allowed? To what kind of people? What are the various committees that have been created to oversee the utilization as well as the risk associated with it? How are we managing these risks? How are we looking at what the vendors are doing and what AI tools they are using? Remember privacy norms, DBTP Act, they say that if the data is collected with a purpose defined by an organization, which is called data fiduciary, even if it is getting processed from an external organization, the accountability and the responsibility stays for the data fiduciary only. And of course, you have to measure performance of your product. Key takeaways: governance enables trusted AI, so you should interconnect the various components of governance. have some responsible innovation, confidence of the leadership team in not only the AI tools but also the governance mechanisms, organizations' resilience of utilizing the AI tools, and all that to bring a sustainable growth for the organization. So that's about creating an enterprise AI governance framework. I hope you like the content of the video. Please press the bell and the like icon, subscribe to my channel, and share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.